Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 53-inch wide by 78-inch long blackout curtain. Now these come in a variety of colors, variety of sizes, variety of styles. They have sent this as a complete blackout one, and I am so excited to get this put up in my daughter's room because she doesn't have a closet door, and this is going to fit great. Everything comes in the box that you're going to need. It comes with the little hanging pieces here, this expandable rod that you're going to put together, the instruction guide. It even has some magnets so that this will actually magnet to the edge to hold it to make it firm. It does have the little tie back, so whenever it's open, it has they pretty much thought of everything really. And then this collapses completely down accordion style that we're going to bring up in there. Nice fabric that's going to block everything out. I'm going to take it downstairs and we're going to show you this, how this is going to get put up, and we'll show you how it operates. So in installing this in here to block all this off, it is really great that they sent this rod. A lot of companies will send you something that you have to screw in. This simply screws together and then gives you the ability with this tension rod on the end. So we've got all our little rings put on here. Just simply slide them over the end as such. Then I'm going to go ahead and get this put up here again, get this tension piece put in, and get that tightened down. Now that that's all up there in place tension-wise and ready to go, I have my curtain here. I actually brought this out. This has not been ironed or anything. This actually just came really nice and looks like it's ready to roll. So we're going to go and put it on there. On the back side of this, it has little hooks. We're going to simply take these hooks and insert them one at a time over the end of that, and it's going to connect in there as such. And we're going to repeat the process for every single one of these hooks. So I've got this blackout curtain put on here. This thing actually looks really nice. This accordion style folds completely flat, which is great. Glides real easy across this rod and completely undoes itself. Now, if it was a little too long, you can trim off the bottom, and there's instructions on how to do all that. Another nice notable feature is on the side of this, they have built-in magnets. So the built-in magnets, and they give you these little sticky pieces here. So if you're wanting it to be completely blackout, you can stick this on your wall, and that will adhere to that. So when it goes closed, it'll pull itself closed, which then will seal the edges up as well. Super cool feature. When you want to have everything out of the way, this folds almost completely flat against the wall. You can have it magneted to the wall, and they give you this additional strap here, which just simply attaches on. Again, is another optional thing here that you could have, that you just bring this thing around and it snaps back into itself here. So now it's out of the way, and then that tie with those magnets will hold everything out of the way and keep it all nice and flush once it's magneted into the wall. And that gives you plenty of room to then access everything while still leaving a nice sleek look on the side. So everything is included in this kit. It's a really good kit. It was really super easy to install. It'll be a really nice fit for anybody's closet or to black out your window.